Guys, this is Bella 307, and today I'm going to show you the new birds we got last Saturday. My budgie, old budgie dog named Jane. So this is Tasha. She is so cute. This is my budgie, Jay.
And it sort of like looks like Chirpy, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's sort of like Chirpy.
Chirpy is still alive.
Yeah, Chirpy is still alive. My budgie died from the pool. So, brothers and sisters, now I'm talking with is that if you can see carefully that I got something in my mouth. Like that. So yeah, they're brothers and sisters. So yeah, they're really cute. That one looks like JJ.
Step up.
Me and my brother were crying because JJ was actually mine. They stepped up quite fast. We didn't teach them or anything. So yeah. Comment, subscribe, and give me a big thumbs up. Bye!